In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox error, the application encountered an unrecoverable error. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you come here and type run, type in %temp%, and in here you want to look for a Roblox folder. If you have a Roblox folder, what you want to do is you want to simply delete this one and then just close it down. After that, what you want to do is you want to empty your recycle bin to make sure it's completely removed, and then you want to try and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you try and play Roblox from another browser, or if you're already using, let's say you're playing on the Google Chrome, what you want to try and do is try and install it from Microsoft Store. Go to Microsoft Store and install the Roblox from in here. So if you already use the Microsoft Store, then you want to do it from Google. So you want to use the opposite of the one that you're already using. So if you use Microsoft Store, try and use Google. If you use Google, try and use the Microsoft Store. If that still doesn't fix it, what you can do is you can come down here and you can go to Device Manager and try in here, find your graphics card, right click and update the driver. This can also help fix the issue. And as a last resort, if none of these work, what I suggest you do is you uninstall Roblox and reinstall it. You search for apps and features, come in here and search for Roblox, and then delete everything Roblox related, and then go and reinstall it from the website or the Microsoft Store. Now those are the ways that you can possibly fix it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.